Now we're going to insert one of our ending slides, and this slide is going to have a background picture and a slogan on the bottom right hand corner that says the race for the cloud starts now. So let me insert a new slide here. Now for this particular slide we don't want any placeholders, so we go to home, we go to layout, and we choose the blank layout that has no placeholders at all. And then we're going to insert a word art, which is basically a graphic made out of letters. And you can choose the design you want. I'm just going to pick this one. You can always change it later. And you can type your ending tagline here. The race for the cloud starts now. And again, you have to press enter and put in the line breaks yourself. You can also decrease the size of the word art. You don't want it to take up too much space. You can also reduce the size of the text. Right now it's 54, perhaps 44 would be better. Okay, and again we can still make a few changes to this. I want to make this a little wider. And I want now to appear on this line. Okay, right. Okay, now we're going to insert the background image. And to do this, we're not going to insert a picture because it's a background image. It's going to expand and fill in the whole background of the slide. So to do that, we're going to use design up here, design. And here we have background styles. You can format your background using colors. By pointing to each of these blocks of color, I can change and preview what the slide would look like with this background. But I'm not going to go with one of these colors. I'm going to click on Format Background. And here you can fill the background with a solid color or with a picture. And that's what I'm going to choose, picture or texture fill. And I don't want a texture, but if you're interested, here are some of the textures. It's like wallpaper. Instead, I'm going to insert from a file. And once again, I'm going to get one of the images from the zip file that I provided on Soul. And this is the image we want. It shows a number of racers wearing business suits crossing the finish line, and then I click insert. And at this point, you can choose to apply to all. Apply to all means it will be the background picture for all slides. Now I just want it for this slide, so I don't click apply to all. I just click close. Okay, and you can see that the background image has been applied to this slide, and here's my word art. You can still do some adjustments if you want it to be a little further away. Okay, and my exclamation point is not showing up, so let me put that up here. Okay, and now the slide is perfect. And you can press F5 on the keyboard to view this presentation. Okay, and here is the presentation. You can press the Enter key to go from one slide to another. And you can preview how your slide looks. Okay, here's the background that we just inserted.